Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello, rhythm game enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to play story mode on FNF Mobile. First, you will need to download the official Friday Night Funkin' mobile game from your device's app store. Make sure your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience. Once installed, simply open the game, head to the main menu, and select the story mode option to jump right into the action. Playing FNF Mobile is all about rhythm and timing. You will see arrows scrolling up the screen. Your goal is to tap the corresponding arrows on your display precisely when they align with the static ghost arrows at the top. Hitting notes accurately builds your combo, which significantly boosts your score. Keep a close eye on your health bar. If it drops to 0, the round ends and you will need to try again. Story mode is structured into various weeks, with each week introducing a new, distinct opponent and a fresh set of songs to conquer. To progress, you must successfully complete all the songs within the current week. If you find a particular song or opponent challenging, don't worry. You can always head over to the freeplay mode to practice specific tracks and hone your rhythm skills before returning to story mode. To maximize your FNF mobile experience, here are a few pro tips. First, explore the game settings to adjust the note scroll speed. Finding your ideal speed can greatly improve your accuracy. Second, wearing headphones can provide clearer audio cues, enhancing your immersion and timing. Finally, begin on an easier difficulty level and gradually increase it as your rhythm and reflexes sharpen. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.